Welcome, guys. CryptoFud. Happy Sunday night. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Safe, wonderful weekend. Let's jump right into it. So, not going to really get into detail or nothing crazy. Just a Sunday night cap. If you've been following along on my other videos, I always tell you guys on Sundays, this has been the trend lately, for the last month or two, or even probably longer, since we've been kind of in this bear market where Sundays usually, even if we have a great week and we're up 10-15%, Sunday nights, Sunday evenings, it usually starts a little sell-off. Some Sundays are worse than others. So this Sunday is really nothing different. Looks like we had a little sell-off where we're still holding around 17.1. I think today earlier we were like 17.150, somewhere around there. So nothing crazy. Bitcoin's holding on. I was looking at Cardano. Looks like it's taking a little bit more of a hit. Dogecoin down a little bit more, but Bitcoin is holding strong. So, which is a good thing, because obviously if Bitcoin takes a bigger hit, all the other coins are going to follow. So some of these coins might, you'll see other coins that are still, big market cap coins, but will take a little bit bigger of a hit. They also will rebound a little bit faster, obviously, because they have a smaller market cap. Doesn't take as much as it would take for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, like I said, holding around 17.1. So we'll see how it goes. Feel like a broken record, but we're coming up to the Fed meeting this week, 13th and 14th. So we'll see how it goes. What do I expect? Basically, it sounds like everybody's been expecting that 50 basis point. I still am not rolling out a 75 hawkish basis point move. And that, I think, would send the market down. I think it would send the market down to somewhere where we would find some support around 16.5 back into this channel. If everything goes the way it's supposed to, the way everybody's predicting, which things don't always, things a lot of times don't work like that, especially with the market. You could always expect the unexpected, right? If they do raise 50 basis points and come out with a little bit of a dovish talk in regards to they're going to monitor the situation, and they might be causing for smaller increments like a 50, and then maybe 6 weeks later 25. That's the talk where you might see some our final end of the year Santa run, where, like I've been saying, we will see probably somewhere 17,800, probably maybe even breaking 18,000. These are all speculations, just my opinion. That's if we do the 50 basis point. So everything, the 50 basis point right now is already priced in, and I feel like if that's what we're going to do, we're going to probably go up. What's going to happen up until the meeting? We might see some sell-offs. We might see a pump. Like I said, if the talk continues, it's going to be a 50 basis point, then you might see people FOMOing in. So we'll see how it goes. Did want to touch base the dollar DXY. We're still it's still on a downward trend, but I was looking, and if you really look, if you go back, so this is where we're at right now. If you go back, the dollar's really made a move. It really was climbing for the last 6-8 year. 6-8 months, a year. It's really been climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing. We finally started seeing the downward, but you think that it's down a lot, but it really is not. So keep an eye on that. If we see a 75 basis point, that means the dollar could possibly see another leg up. So we'll have to see how it goes. But just wanted to point that out. The dollar looks like it's been steadily just climbing for the last 12 months. It was kind of baseline here, and then just started a slow but steady upward momentum. and this was its high point at about 114. It did actually hit like 115, I think, and then it cooled off. So we'll see how it goes. We're sitting at about 105, a little over 105. The other day we did hit a local low, which was like a 3-month low of a 104. But it's kind of looks like it's forming some little bit of a W pattern, not like a nice W pattern, but it looks like it's got some sort of a W pattern where basically what's going on is people are some people are pulling out and some people are pulling in, because like I said, this Fed meeting is not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed to for the 50 basis points. We could see a 75 basis points, what's going to throw these markets into shock, and that could be what we need to finally bottom out, and then maybe setting us up for 2023, where we could finally put all this 2022 crap behind us and maybe start building back up. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to leave it there. Just wanted to kind of just touch base with you guys Sunday night. Thanking everybody for the new subscribers and all the views. I really appreciate it. 2 weeks strong. We're building. So if you guys have any questions, anything like that, leave it in the comments. I'm always checking them. I thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let me know if you need anything, any questions. Check out some coins. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Sunday night. I'll see you guys definitely this week. We'll be talking about everything, and I still have some more videos that I'm making right now and for like smaller cap coins, and we'll definitely go over some of the other coins that are more secure buys, because I do want to get into it and just see like what are some good buy-ins before maybe we do see a nice rally, and you want to get some good positions in. So thank you guys again. Thank you. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.